What's up, YouTube? It is Inspire and Innovate, and what I have built, or finished, if you want to call it, is my DIY oscilloscope kit that I mentioned in an earlier video. I showed it in the video. I wasn't done, and I don't know if I mentioned it. I can't quite remember, but what I do know is I was stuck on reading the values of the ceramic disc capacitors, and what they are is that little tan thing down there, and two tan things there, and that tan thing there. They're the tan circles you see on the board. And it works. I have checked it over, checked all the solder joints. I was afraid when I first powered it up that it wouldn't work, and it would be destroyed, and I would have to make another one. And it comes with a testing feature, and what that testing feature is I think there's a microcontroller in there, and that microcontroller is outputting 1 kilohertz. Oh, shoot. It says 20%. There we go. And what that microcontroller is doing is it's putting out 1 kilohertz, and I can kind of zoom in on it. Zoom in on the square wave. That's what these are called. And the peaks represent the voltage at its max, and then the drops represent when there's no voltage at all. So, yep. Let's just put this back. There we go. And I wanted to really test it, so I built a square wave generator with a 555 timer. Now, the square waves aren't really the best, but it will do. And I have a 2K linear potentiometer here, and just gonna plug in the 9-volt battery, and I think I'm gonna do a video on this, a schematic video on this. Yeah, I think I should. So let's just plug it in and see if there is a square wave. No square wave. I wonder why. Great. Let's just unplug you for a second and plug you back in. Well, let's just try this. Doesn't work. I gotta figure out why. Well, the timer's fine. There we go. The square wave that we've... Gosh darn. I just lost it. There we go. There's the satisfying square wave I was looking for. Now it has, let me just move this out of the way, hopefully nothing happens. Now it has an adjustable frequency from 1.1 kilohertz to all the way down to 45 kilohertz, as it says right, no, 45 hertz. And what I think kilohertz is the time that it takes to beat in a second, the pulses in a second. So this is like 45 pulses a second, and then this is 1,200 a second. Now don't quote me on that, I'm probably not correct. And you can mess with the options, but it doesn't really help you in much sense. I like to keep it at this area right here. Now, when I said it was a sloppy signal, I was not kidding, because that is the on time. Let me just try to, there we go. That right there is the on time, and then this is the off time. And I can also get rid of this. I'll see if I can do that right now. There we go. I got rid of that, and now you can see the on time and the off time. So yeah, it's a very sloppy square wave. That's what I was talking about. Okay, so yep. Remember to like, subscribe. And remember to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps, and you can post comments down below of what you want me to test with this thing, like some toys, or just go probing around in an RC car, because I know that they have to control the motor speed and the steering, and then you have the input from the input signal. So yeah, peace.